Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the IMO token from IMO Invest. Now this token is on the base chain, and it was just announced that this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, May 16th, on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. And always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So like I said, this token is on the base chain. Now you can find it on basescan.org if you're looking for some statistical information. And you could also find the chart on Dex Tools and Dex Screener. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here at IMO__invest. And they also have a Telegram at IMO_invest, just one underscore there. And their webpage is IMO-invest.com. And over there you can find a full white paper. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, May 16th at 9 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code. Fund your account. After you open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search IMO, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have a 19-page white paper that goes over, the history of real estate. There's a big disclaimer. You could always read that as well. It goes over the current real estate situation and issues. But basically, there are solutions to real estate provided by IMO. So the IMO project was created in response to these problems. The main objective is to enable anyone to benefit from the stability and advantages associated with financial exposure and returns on the real estate assets, whatever the amount, freeing them from the obstacles that can arise in the traditional acquisition of property. The project functioning is detailed in their full white paper, and there's, like I said, 19-page white paper. We're not going to go over all that, just the most important parts here. So it says the IMO project aims to be a pioneer in the RWA sector, which is short for real-world assets, and has the ambition to democratize access to yields associated with real estate investments, regardless of the investment amount. Despite the fact that holding IMO tokens does not offer a direct right of ownership of real estate assets, and is therefore not an investment in real estate assets as such, it indirectly allows investors to benefit from exposures to returns associated with an investment in this type of asset. So the IMO project was conceived and created to combine the advantages of real estate investment and blockchain technology. Each IMO token sold represents a commitment by the issuer to allow the holders of these tokens to benefit from a share of the proceeds received by the issuer from the management of the property investment financed by the issuer. Profits from the management of property acquired by one or more companies controlled by the issuer or by an affiliated entity are thus re-injected into the ecosystem in the form of purchase of IMO tokens on the market. How this works is explained in the full white paper if you want to check that out. Now, without the traditional constraints associated with property investment, such as the need for an initial contribution or property maintenance, token ownership offers a simple and intuitive way of accessing an asset class that often remains out of reach for many people. With the democratization and expansion of cryptocurrencies, this innovative proposition now allows anyone, regardless of the size of their investment, to benefit indirectly from exposure to rental property yields. And IMO tokens are distinctly different from the majority of real estate-focused cryptocurrencies. While other projects focus on tokenization of individual properties, where investors acquire a fraction of specific properties, IMO offers a different approach. Rather than being exposed to the risks and potential costs associated with maintaining a single property, IMO token holders have the opportunity to benefit from the rental income generated by different properties and investments financed by IMO, providing further diversification. And this, combined with a varied regional spread of assets, mitigates the risks often associated with investing into a single property. Now, it is essential to understand that the issuer of IMO tokens is under no obligation to invest directly in real estate, but has the freedom to do so. And this offers unprecedented flexibility, where the issuer can, at its discretion, take advantage of real estate investment opportunities while managing risk. For token holders, this means a chance to see the value of their investment increase through the rents received, while being protected from the complexities and risks inherent in owning real estate directly. In addition to these fundamental benefits, the dynamics of the cryptocurrency market can also add speculative upside value to IMO tokens, making this investment an attractive option. So IMO tokens enable investors to benefit directly, now solely through the redemption of IMO tokens by the issuer or its affiliates of the market. However, IMO tokens do not represent a claim. It kind of repeats itself a little bit here. So let's scroll down here to the tokenomics here. So they give it says that it's on the base chain. So right now they have 71,412 holders. Now some of those could be from airdrops, things like that. That's not all people buying into the token, most likely. 18 decimal places on this token. Right now, token price is $2.34 per token US. They have an on-chain market cap of $43 million, a circulating supply market cap of $26.1 million, and a max total supply of 18,393,544 tokens. So there's not like an insane amount of tokens. Some of these tokens have, trillions, quadrillions amounts. This one's just in the millions. And yeah, it's doing pretty well here. We're going to go over some other big projects being listed on Mexc Global that are being listed today and tomorrow. So make sure you check those videos out on this channel as well. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where we talk about the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about IMO? And check out all the referral codes. And thanks for everybody who's been hitting that join button and becoming a member of this channel. You are much appreciated. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.